Hello everyone, good afternoon. So I'm sorry I'm late because my family issues here. So it means no more by this one from Typhoon Verbena because the without landfall against by upcoming by this one by Northern Palawan. So it means midnight. So these are a landfall from this Cebu within Talisay Cebu and also by Pinamungahan Cebu because the so it means no more strong moves. So it means signal number one. So it is okay from this one. So no damage here. So it means no flash floods here. So it means the problems from this Cebu. So it means these are the flash floods by this one. So let's pray from this one by calamities from this Cebu from this typhoon Verbena, same by Typhoon Tino here. So we're here from this one in this analyze of this games in FIDE Women's World Team Championship 2025. So today is semifinals. So these are the after standings from the semifinals here from top four. So these are the semifinals here within top four between FIDE teams for Russia versus China and second by Azerbaijan versus Kazakhstan. So if you lost from the semifinals, moving by this one by battle of third. If you win from semifinals, we'll proceed by this one by finale. So it means match 3 first, so later from match 2. So match 3 first. So it means how many clocks within 3 minutes plus 2 seconds increment. And also have between in this woman grandmaster in Azerbaijan is Kovar Beydulayeva versus beautiful pretty international master in Kazakhstan is Merur Kamali-Denova. So after of this match 3, within next this one by match 2 from this classical chess between Miao Miao versus Polina Shovalova from later from this next match 2. So in this part of this video, we have analyzed of the standings of the semifinals from this match 3 first. So white plays Kovar is d4, knight f6 Merriweather, c4, g6, knight f3. Oh wait, so I forgot something. So it means, so these are the main lines here by this one by e6. So e6 is East Indian defense here without East Indian defense. So it means without g6 by Merriweather, without moving up by this one by dark square bishop to g7 without upcoming castling. Knight f3, bishop g7 by Merriweather without preparing castling inside, and also g3 without move by light square bishop g2, and also castle kingside by Merriweather, bishop g2 by upcoming castling by Kovar, and also c6 castle kingside by Kovar, and also d5 without also upcoming by captured the pawns here. It is called by openings by it's called by Neo Granfeld defense, classical original defense here. It's called by variations. Pawn a4. So it means when you try this one, is used by this one by b3. So b3 is a defense here. So it means a4. So move by choose by Kovar here. And decided captured by Queen's Gambit, decline accepted because need more free captured by these black pieces by Merriweather. Knight a3 by Kovar without attacks the pawns, without disturbing. Defense bishop e6 by Merriweather. Knight g5 with a strong move by Kovar, without idea by threats the pawns here. And also defense by queen d7 by Merriweather. Knight captured bishop, queen takes defense the pawns. Queen c2 without Kovar attacks the pawns, without threats the pawns here. Defense rook d8, sorry. So it means rook d8 by Merriweather without use by disturb attacks the pawns here. And also defense by e3 without defense by this one by Kovar. Knight a6 by Merriweather without next move by knight to b4 without attacks the queens, without disturb by without next maneuver by knight b4, and also without queen takes captured without queen to queen, and also knight e5 without knight e5. So it means normal by this one without defense. So it means that's not one of this move by Merriweather. So the one's computer decided without queen captured accepted, and also knight captured. So knight captured here, so these are the slightly better from whites here. Without decided knight d5 by Merriweather without defense here, without doesn't want by queen to queen here. Sorry, I got sore throat. And also bishop d2 and also rook ac8 by Merriweather without pins by this one the queens here. So these are the scored by rook c files here without rook c files, and also b4 without b4 here, without move side this one by b5 without attacks the knight. So these are a new move, novelty out of this book line by Govar. Without old mainline database is rook ac1 ac recording chess.com database here. So it means so b4 out of this book line, because these are the novelty by this one with Govar. Knight captured, need more captured here, and decided queen takes accepted here, takes without these are a damage full by Agnene's pawn structure here. So Agnene's pawn structure, and also bishop h3 without Govar, without idea, without threats the pawns or pins the rook. So it means does not want of this computer engine by move by Govar. So the best moves there is rook ab1. Need more threats here. So without first bishop, without threats the knight, so need more first by bishop captured knight. So rook ab1 without defense, so slightly better from whites here. So back there is bishop h3 by Govar, and good move is king f7 without defense the pawns. Rook ab1. Look at the rook ab1 by Govar without best rook precise here by white pieces, or first by this one. So first by used by bishop here. So without knight captured and rook captured. So need more captured by first bishops here. And another excellent by Merriweather is pawn c5 without excellent move. So it means so do not capture this one. So do not capture. So it means bishop captured bishop. So one piece down here. And also without knight b5 by Govar without attacks this pawn by a7. And another third excellent is knight c6 by Merriweather. So need more defense here, or maybe without first without attacks the captured pawns here. And also without knight c3 without Govar. So it means knight c3 without need more move side, or without idea without move side by knight e4. Need more attacks the pawns. So before that without pawns here, so rook need more this one by defense here by this one rook fd1. So rook fd1 here, and decided by capture this pawn by Merriweather, and also knight e4 without good precise by Merriweather here, and also bishop f6 without more continuations by this one by black pieces by Merriweather, and also rook captured. So very strongest move, so need more captured here. And also knight e5 by Merriweather, and also bishop g2, and also rook c7. So without rook to rook, so it means blunderations by Merriweather, Kamalidanova. So it means so these are a double question mark. So the best moves there, this one is knight to c4. So need more right move, not rook c7. So it means these are the knights without threats the bishops here. So these are controls here by this one by best solutions from blacks here. So best solutions. So back there, this one is rook c7 by Merriweather without rook to rook, and good move without accept rook captured, knight captured, and bishop a5. Another second good move by Govar without bishop, without threats the knights or pins the rooks here, without pins here, without this one without pin, and also knight c4 by Merriweather without attacks the bishop, without threats here. So it means so 36 seconds by Govar and 37 seconds by Merriweather. So it means without dying seconds here, without, because these are the blitz just by 3 minutes plus 2 seconds here. So knight c4 continue here, and decided bishop captured knight without attacks the rooks, without threats the rooks, because these are the continuations here. And also rook c8 without attacks the bishop, rook c1, So it means more threats here. So without threats the knights, or because the rooks, without threats the bishop. So these are the first by knights and bishops here. And captured. So it means to do not captured by rook captured. So it means rook takes. So rook takes. If your rook takes c7, so it means rook do not capture knight. So it means blunderatious rook takes. So lose from whites here. So it means so avoid by this one by eating the capture here. So it means need more disciplines by this one by rules by chess here. So it means the back there is captured by mirror takes, knight takes, and also king f2. Oh, king f2 here. So it means without knights here, without threats the bishop. Without threats because the rooks. So these rooks cannot move here. So it means these are the targets. So because this RA protects the rooks here. And also knight g4 check, and also king e2, bishop e5. Without bishop to bishop. And also rook f1 check, king g7, bishop captured, knight takes, and also knight g5, blunderatious by Guvar. So what happened? Blunderatious. So it means so the right move is knight d2. So knight d2 here, not knight g5. This is a wrong. So knight d2 is a correct move here. So easy solutions from this. Easy solutions by good advantage from whites here. So after knight g5 blunderatious without attacks the pawns or without checks here, so without next guessing puzzles for first guessing puzzle. So what do you think about the best move by Merit Kamali-Denova without moving by excellent? So while waiting for a couple more seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Rook c2 check, excellent. Good move by Merritt. King e3, good move by Guvar. Rook captured bishop. Oh, I forgot something. So it means without rook c2 check, without check, or bishop drops. So it means long collides here. So it means king e3, good move Guvar, and rook captured bishop. So it means these are the same by knight to knights here, so it means without rook to rooks here. And also, decided knight captured e6 check, and another good move is king h6 by Merritt. And also pawn h4, so need more protects here, so without defense here. Or because these are the determinations here. Knight c4 check, and also king f3, rook a2 by Merritt without idea by threats the pawns here. Without attacks the pawns, and also rook c1 without threats the knights here, so it means does not one of these move by computer by Guvar. So the ones computer the best move is rook e1. So rook e1 is a right move here, so without defense the knights here, so slightly better from whites here. So rook c1 by Guvar, rook captured. So what the miss by Bran X, or the miss move is rook a3 check. Rook a3 check here. So it means without best move here. So it means slightly better from blacks here. So back there is rook captured a4, rook d1, another bad move by Guvar. So it means best is rook e1 again. What happened to Guvar? Miss move from this one, so need more rook e1. So it means rook d1, bad move. Without continuations here, without bad move, without another bad move. Knight e5 check, king g2, rook a6 without threats the knights. Knight f4, rook d6 without rook to rook, bad move. So the best move this one is rook a2 check again. Rook a2 check again. So if you move by king h3, so these are a no more by this one by check by this one. So these are the slightly good examples here. Slightly good betters from blacks and whites here. So back there is rook d6 without rook to rook. Ignorance, rook a1. So And accept. Why don't we try rook takes capture? Accepted. Takes. So it means, so these are the continuations here. So these are the examples here. So back there's rook a1 attacks the pawns and a6 defense. Rook a5 threatening the knights and knight g4, another bad move by Merwert. So these are the stockfish here. So the best moves the one's computer, this one is knight c4. So need more threats the rooks here. So knight c4 is a slightly better from black. So these are the best solutions here. So slightly solutions. So back there this one, knight g4 by Merwert. King f3 attacks the knights and knight f6. Knight h3 without moving. So it means bad move by Govar. So the best moves there, this one is rook to e5 is a threat the pawns here. So that threats the pawns here. So it means, and decided this one is knight to g8 without defense the pawns here, without etc. So these are the good advantage here from whites and blacks here. Good advantage. So back there this one is knight h3 by Govar, king g7, knight g5, and also h6 threatening the knights. Knight go back h3, rook d3 check, king g2, knight e4. Without idea by rooks, without threats the pawns or check, without checks here, and also rook captured. Rook captured is the right move. Rook captured check, king h2, rook e3, rook e3, knight f4. Without rooks, without threats the pawns, check here because these are the defense here, and also knight f6 without blocking by knights by Merwert, and also knight e6 check, king f7 threats the knights, not threats the knights here. I'm sorry, I got wrong notes here. Without king f7, knight d8 check, king e8 threatening the knights, knight go back c6, h5, rook a8 check, good move king f7 attacks the knights, knight g5 check, king g7, rook e7, rook a7 here, knight h7, ignorance knight h3. So it means, so if you move by knight captured here, so it means king captured. So these are the same by this one. So 3 connected versus 1 connected here. So knight h3 ignorance by Govar, rook e4 threatening the pawns, king g2, king f7, king g3 defends the pawns, rook g4 check, king f3, rook captured pawn. So no more pawns by Govar and 3 connected pass pawn. So 3 connected pass pawn by Merwert. Knight f2, knight g5 check, king g3 threats the rooks, rook b4, rook a5, rook a5 by Govar without threats the knights or check. So threatening the kings without check here. h4 without check, king g2, king f6, rook a6 check, pawn e6 without move, without defense here, and also rook a8 without idea by Govar, or rook f8 without more by checks here, without more here, rook b2. Without rook b2 without next move by knight to e4. So cannot move by this one the knights here. And also rook f8 check, king g7 threatening the rooks, rook f4, h3 without pawns by check, and also king g3, e5 attacks the rooks, and rook h4, and also rook b3 check, king g4, and also knight f7, or maybe without idea, without knight to h6 without checks here, and also rook captured, knight h6 check, and also king h4, knight f5 check, king g4, and also rook b4 check, king f3, rook b3, or maybe without check, or without here, or rooks the traps here. Without defense here by, king e4. King e4. That's correct. So it means, so king e4 here, and also rook b5. So it means, so rook b5 ignorance. So that's not one of this computer bad move by Merwert. So the one's computer is rook captured accepted. So if you knight captured here, so it means knight d6 check. Knight d6 check. If you king captured here, knight c4 check. So it means knight c4 and king to f4. So these are examples here from whites and blacks. So these are that one connected passed pawn by Merriweather. So it means wins for blacks here. So easy from wins for blacks. So back there is rook b5 by Merriweather, and also rook d3. Oh, that's correct. So rook d3 here. King f6, knight g4 check, king e6 good move, knight f2, rook b4 check, king f3, knight d4 check, king a3, knight f5 check again, king f3, rook f4. So rook f4, sorry. So rook f4, so it means rook f4 check here. I'm sorry, got wrong notes here. So rook f4 check, king e2, knight d4 check, king e1, g5, and also rook g3 without threats the pawns, and king f5 without defense or protects the pawns, and rook h3, pawn e4. Oh, almost by move by this one, by controls here, by pawns move here. And also rook h8, or maybe without idea by rook f8 check here, and also rook f3 without rook f3 here, so it means another bad move by Merriweather. So the best moves there is pawn e3 here. So threats the knights here. So need more threats here. And also decided this one knight e4. So knight d3 here is a controls here. So it means so slightly better here. Or maybe here by this one, or pawn e2. So these are the connected, this one the pass pawn. So these are the slightly betters from blacks here. Slightly betters. So back there, this one is rook f3, rook f8 check, and also king g6, another third bad move by Merriweather. So the best move is king to e5 here. So king e5 is a right move here. So these are a slightly betters here without opening by rook to rook here. So it means so back there is king g6 without move side by Merriweather here, and also ignorance rook e8 bad move. So the best moves there, this one is rook captured accepted. So if your knight takes captured here, or without check, and also king e2 without threats the knights here. So if you move by knight g1 here, and also king e1, and also pawn e3. So pawn e3 is a threatening the knights here. So etc, etc. So these are the wins for blacks here. So slightly advantage here. So back there is rook e8 by Guvar here, and also e3, strong move by this one by Merriweather without attacks the knights here, or rooks threats the knights here, and also decided knight g4 without threats the pawns here, and also rook g3 without attacks the knights, and knight captured. So guessing puzzle. So what do you think the second puzzle by perfect shot by brilliant move by captured by beautiful pretty international master Merriweather? So guessing puzzle. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Rook captured, brilliant. Brilliant move by perfect captured by Merriweather. So these are the strongest evaluation bar. So highest, very strong by brilliant captured by rooks by Merriweather here. And decided Guvar, rook captured accepted, and also knight c2 check, good move. So check here, or rook's trap. So with the traps here. And also decided king f2, knight captured rook, king takes knight. So these are the one king by Guvar, and this one connected pass pawn by Merriweather, because these are defense or move side by promotes by g1 queen. Without promotes here, without g1 queen here, And also good move is king h5 by Merriweather, king f3, second good move, king h4, good move by Merriweather without second move, king f2, another excellent, third excellent by king h3 by Merriweather, king g1, king g3, king f1, g4, king g1 again, king h3 again, king h1 again, pawn g3 without a move side by pawn g2 without threats the kings, without promotes the without queens here. King g1, another good move. So good move by g2 by Merriweather, king f2, and also the last shot by this one is king h2, good move. So without after the match 3, decided without resigns by this one. So surrender by woman grandmaster Govar Bedulayeva. So knock out her. So why she knock out? Because so if you move by this one by king e1, only move here and decided promotes g1 queen, so unstoppable by this one, game over from white. So decided resigns by woman grandmaster Govar Bedulayeva. So knocked out her. So it means so 103 moves here. So 103 moves, so very longest by moves here. So it means so the score the score by this one by Azerbaijan here. So Azerbaijan is 4 points and also Kazakhstan is 2 points. So it means so these are the three by so it means three teams from Kazakhstan by 3 loss and 1 wins by Kazakhstan by this one Merriweather. So it means so Merriweather wins from Kazakhstan here, and also 3 people lost from team Kazakhstan here. So it means Govar lost by Azerbaijan and 3 wins by Azerbaijan. So it means Kazakhstan is a knockout here. So team Kazakhstan knockout. So the winner from this one is team Azerbaijan. So proceed from this final. Say congratulations. So it means so next from this one by second game from this match 2 without classical chess here. So let's see of this next of this match 2. Okay, next by match 2 without classical chess here. So it means 45 minutes plus 30 seconds increment. So it means so I will not waste that time here. So need more fast as you can. So it means without between from this one by match 2 without between from this international master in Russia Polina Shovalova versus by international master in China Miao Lu Miaoyi. So in this part of this video we have analyzed of this match 2. So d4 by Shovalova, knight f6 by Miao, c4, e6, East Indian defense, knight c3, bishop b4, Nimso Indian defense or without pins, without move by kings, without checks here, and also e3, castle kingside by Miao, bishop d3, c5. So what is called this one, or maybe is called by Nimso Indian defense, bishop attacks here, without bishop attacks. So it means so knight e2 by Shovalova, d5, and also a3 without threats the bishop, or not yet ready by castling by this one by Shovalova, and also captured this pawn, captured without one piece down by Miao, takes one piece down by Polina Shovalova. So it means so these are same by this one, or captured, knight captured, and also knight c6 by Miao, b5 push without attacks the knights here, and also knight e5 by Miao without idea, without threats the bishops here, and also decided captured, knight captured bishop, queen takes, and also knight captured without attacks the knights, knight takes, queen takes without queen to queen, in accept Polina, queen takes, pawn takes, and also b6 without sacrifice, or maybe without move side here. So these are a weak bypass pawn here. So it means without idea castling, without upcoming by castling, and also a5. So I forgot something. Wait. Okay. Wait. wait, okay. So it means, so I forgot. Oh, so it means without captured, so it means novelty. Novelty by Polina Shuvalova. So it means without idea, decided by Old Main Knights is this one by C5 without push here. C5 push is a recording by chess.com. So it means back there is captured, knight captured bishop, queen takes, knight takes, takes, queen takes, takes, and also b6. Without b6 by this one, without sacrifice this by Polina Shuvalova here. And also, without a5 by Meow Meow, bishop d2, a4 without push here. And also, bishop c3, and also bishop e6. So it means so opposite color bishop here. So these are opposite color bishop, and also king d2 without. So it means without name, so king's Indians here. So no need by this one by castling by this Shuvalova. Bishop d7, bishop d4 without defense the pawns here, and also bishop b5. So it means without bishop to b5 by Meow Meow, so it means bad move. So that's one of this computer. So the one's computer here, so the best move is rook ac8 here is a right move here. So rook ac8. So it means so these are a best solutions here. So back there, this one is bishop b5. So it means so slightly opposite color bishop here, and also rook hc1, and also bishop c4, and also pawn h4, h5, and also f3 or next move by this one by e4. The next move here, and also f5 without no more by e4 because this area is called by rook c5 here, and also king c3, and also rook a5 by Meow Meow, and also rook a3, rook c8, and also king d2, and also go back rook a8. So it means another bad move by Meow Meow. So the best, once computer, the best move is decided by battery rook c8. Need more battery here, etc, etc. So these are the slightly betters from blacks here. So rook a8 by Meow Meow, and also rook a1 brand X move by Shuvalova. So the best one's computer is pawn g4. Oh, pawn g4. So if you capture this pawn, and also f takes g4, and also without move side by this one by, so where are you going? Oh wait, okay, so rook f takes g4 here, so it means so f takes g4, so f takes g4, and also rook g1. Oh, okay, that's correct. So it means rook g1. So these are a best solutions from advantage here. So best solutions. So back there, this one is rook a1 here, and also king h7. So brand X move. So it means so the branded move, this one is pawn g6. Wait, sorry. So it means pawn g6. Sorry, so pawn g6. So pawn g6. So I'm sorry, I got forgot here. So pawn g6 is a right move here, not pawn g5. I'm sorry, guys. I forgot. So it means pawn g6 here. So I've got, my nose is too itching. So king h7, king e1, another brand X by Shuvalova. So it means best move is pawn g4 again. So it means pawn g4 is a right move here. So back there, this one is king e1 by Shuvalova, rook g8, king f2, king h6, and also rook h1, bishop b3, and also rook hc1, bishop c4, rook c3. So it means bad move by Shuvalova. So the best move, this one is king g3. So king g3 here, so it means right move here. So these are the determinations here, so slightly betters from whites here. Slightly betters here. So rook c3 by Shuvalova, king h7 by Meow Meow, rook h1, king h6, rook h3, and rook a5. So that's not one of this computer by Meow Meow. So the one's computer, the best move is rook g e8. Oh, rook g8. Okay, rook g8 here. So it means without best move here. So these are the slightly advantage from blacks here. Slightly advantage. So back there is rook a5 by Meow Meow without defense the pawns, and rook h1 go back is called by dancing rook here without dancing. Go back, rook a8, king g3, g5 attacks the pawns. Oh, without threats the pawns. So it means without this one, if you capture this one or check. So these are the checks here. And also captured, rook captured check. King f2, another good move by Shuvalova. So it means without good move here. So these are a continuations here. And also battery, rook a g8, another bad move by Meow Meow. So without many bad moves here. So it means so the one's computer the best move is rook to c8 here. So rook c8 is a defense the bishop here. So without defense here, so etc etc, so slightly advantage here. So rook h8 by Meow Meow without battery or without idea, without threats the pawns, without check here. So without move side by checks here. And also rook h2, good move by Shuvalova here without defense the pawns here. And also king g6. So I'm sorry, I got my nose is too itching because I'm washing my hands here. So I just pause up this while, so we need more continue. So rook g6 by Meow Meow, and another third good move by Polina Shuvalova. Sorry, so it means name here. Rook c1 without good move here by Shuvalova, and back by rook a8. So it means another third bad move. So many bad moves by Meow Meow here. So the one's computer is king f7. Now king f7 is a right move here. So slightly solutions from blacks here. Slightly solutions. So rook a8 here by Meow Meow, and also bishop e5. So what a miss move by this one by Shuvalova. So need the best move. This one is rook to ch1 battery here. So rook cg1 battery. So need more advantage here. So slightly solutions from whites here. Slightly solutions. So it means bishop e5 by Polina Shuvalova, and also king f7, bishop f4. Without idea, without threats the rooks here, without idea attacks this one, and also rook g6 by Meow Meow, rook takes captured pawn, or maybe without idea by rook, without threats the pawns or check. So these are the controls here. And also rook captured, and also rook h7 check. So it means bad move by Shuvalova. So many bad moves here. So the best moves the one's computer, this one is bishop to e5. So these are a highest evaluation bar here. So these are the best solutions here. So back there, this one is rook h7 check here, and also king g8 without attacks the rooks. Battery, rook ch1. So what a good precise by Shuvalova without battery. And also rook captured check. So it means that's not one of this computer by Meow Meow. So the one's computer the best move, this one is rook e8 here. So rook e8, we need more right move here. So these are the good advantage from blacks here. So rook captured b2 without check. Good move king g3 by Shuvalova. Rook e8, good precise by Meow Meow here. And also rook h8 check. And also king f7, rook 1 h7 check, king g6, and also rook h6 check, king f7 without defense. Rook 8 h7 check, king g8 without king g8, and also rook c7 check, and also bishop c1. I mean bishop f1, sorry. I'm sorry, I got wrong notes. So it means bishop f1 here, so without rooks, without threats the pawns or checks here. So very dangerous from whites here. And also bishop g5, and also f4 check. Sacrificed by Meow Meow without check. King takes captured, rook f8 check, and also bishop f6, good move. So guessing puzzle, so what do you think about the brilliant sacrifice? Without sacrifice by Meow Meow. So while waiting for a couple of our seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Rook captured. Sacrifice. So sacrifice by Meow Meow without check. Rook takes. So these are a one rook done by Meow Meow. So these are the two minor pieces by rooks by Shovalova and rooks and bishop by Meow Meow here. Rook captured g2 check and also rook d6 attacks the pawns and also rook g7 without rook to rook. And accept rook takes, king takes. So these are a rook by Shovalova and bishop by without bad bishop by Meow Meow here. And also rook d7 check without checks here or maybe without traps the pawns here. And also king f6 rook captured pawn. So these are the same by two connected pass pawn. And also bishop c4 rook a7 attacks the pawns, bishop b3 defense, and also rook a6 and also king e7, king e5, king d7, king d4. Oh, so it means without running. Oh, these are almost here. So it means without move by king. So without kings here. So these are the without. Oh, these are the running. So running by kings here. King c7. Go king. King b7 attacks the rooks. Rook a5. King c7. Rook a7 check. King b8. Oh, king. Oh, these are the pass here. Oh, okay. So it means bishop c4. Okay, king f8, king e5, king g8, king f5, king f8, king f4, king g8, king e5, king f8. So it means f7 check, king f8, oh, d4, king f6, d5, bishop d5, captured, oh, a3, rook captured, bishop f3, and also almost finished by rook e3. So these are a without end of this one, so decided surrender by Meow Meow. But it is okay. So don't worry, Meow Meow. So need more from this battle of third here. So the score by this one by team PD teams from Russia is so it means so let's see. So the score by this one PD teams, team from Russia 4 points and team China 0 points. So it means Meow Meow so lose from moving by this one by battle of third. So Polina Shovalova, congratulations, was proceed of this one by finale from team Russia. So let's see these standings here. So let's see. So these are the score by 50 teams 4 points and China 0 points. And Azerbaijan 4 points and Kazakhstan 2 points. So it means so congratulations from this one proceeds from finals between Russia versus Azerbaijan. So it means China, Kazakhstan was moving by battle of third. So congratulations from this one from PD teams and Azerbaijan. So I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luwagit 17 aka Ikomax 17. Have a good day, keep safe and keep updates next chess updates. Bye bye.